Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Vijay Kedia has been constantly accumulating shares over the last few quarters. His stake in the company increased from 1.07% at the end of the March 2018 quarter to 1.3% at the end of June 2018. This again increased to 1.91% at the end of the September 2018 quarter. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Vijay Global Limited, which is available at Rs 646.10 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is VAI BHAV GBL. Now Vijay Global Limited is a holding company. This is an electronic retailer of fashion jewelry and lifestyle accessories. The company owns and operates the liquidation channel in the United States and jewelry channel in the United Kingdom. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, the company went on a vertical rise just about a few weeks into the year, then consolidated. However, over the last few weeks, this stock had corrected. In the last 1 week, however, the stock has again resumed its uptrend. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 2,107.50 crores. The EPS of 10.21 translates into an expensive price to earnings ratio of 63.28, which is also very much expensive when compared with the industry PE of 19.91. The price to book ratio of 3.88 is also a bit on the high side. The company does not pay out any dividends. However, the promoter holding is a strong factor for this company and stands at a figure of 65.36%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.